CommitWorks creates market-leading work management software that improves the coordination of day-to-day work, enabling everyone on site to work together as a well-organized, high-performing team. Resource sector operations use our software to rapidly and sustainably lift their performance by more than 10%. Our SiteOps product is a comprehensive, fully integrated frontline planning and scheduling system that gets everyone working together on the same page. It puts the plan versus actual in the hands of the supervisor, all in one integrated system. From monthly scheduling of personnel and resources all the way through to the most granular task-based details of a single shift, SiteOps gives management a clear view of their operations so they can make better decisions, and helps frontline teams to get the job done more efficiently and safely. Some of the world's largest mining companies have seen massive production and safety improvements after implementing SiteOps. It's easy to use and delivers results fast. In the next few minutes, we will show you how using SiteOps to run your operation will reduce waste and improve production and safety. SiteOps enables fully integrated frontline planning, real-time schedule control and adjustment, and real-time updates from the face using our short interval control app. It all starts with creating a weekly process plan for each shift. You can create tasks and simply schedule these tasks into a shift by dragging and dropping. Tasks can be pulled in directly from any other planning system or spreadsheet, for example, maintenance tasks. The shift plans can be printed, including any attachments like safety protocols for people to take to work. Shift plans are also available on our short interval control app. A lot of things that schedulers need to do are best achieved in more of a Gantt view. The scheduler screen allows you to view your plan in different ways, for example, by location. By being able to create, edit, and reschedule tasks in these different views, you can ensure your weekly plan will work for the mine as a whole. Work is scheduled across the days and shifts of the week. You can zoom in and zoom out of the plan and easily navigate by a simple click of a button. Summarized task information is shown in the actual taskbars, and more detailed information is available by hovering over it. You can create different views of the plan yourself. For example, this view shows all development work per level and per heading. It also enables you to view the status of the heading and the number of cuts scheduled for that time period, including which cuts have been completed. The same activities can also be shown per equipment. For each piece of equipment, you can see what tasks are assigned to it. It enables you to easily identify any gaps or overlaps and fix it to optimize the equipment utilization. You can also set up dependencies between tasks by drawing lines, for example, for a development sequence. You can save the dependencies as a standard sequence so you can easily use this sequence of tasks again. You can also schedule a task that spans across multiple shifts to achieve a production outcome. During the site's commitment meetings, the weekly plan is shown on large screens. Prior to the shift, the supervisor can set up their shift by assigning people and equipment to the different tasks, simply by dragging and dropping. The supervisors can also make last-minute changes to the people's and equipment's availability, and write shift notes and safety notes for the crew to be aware of during the shift. These notes and all other last-minute changes made are shown on the shift plan the crew will take with them during the shift. Supervisors can also take the plan to work using our short interval control app. The short interval control app can be used to enter actuals during and after a shift, both online and offline. The supervisor can set the completion percentage for tasks, enter the actuals achieved, and write shift notes. Actuals entered in the app are shown in the schedule in real time, giving visibility to everyone on site. At each of the short interval control slots, the supervisors can let the whole site know how they're progressing. The app also allows the supervisors to enter notes for the overall shift, complete a checklist, and enter the remaining shift KPIs. In case a device cannot be taken during the shift, all actuals can be entered after the shift on large touchscreens. All the information entered during and at the end of a shift gets used for the shift handover and the shift debrief. It also ends up in daily shift reports and in the SiteOps 24-hour report. The reports are used for the daily review meetings. During these meetings, the variances are identified and improvement actions are captured and scheduled back into SiteOps. Following this fully integrated plan, do, check, act cycle delivers significant and reliable improvements and results. What our clients say about us. SiteOps takes planning down to the detail level for the supervisor, and it's completely different to anything that exists in the mining or construction industry, so it's going to be completely disruptive. Andy Gregg, former president of mining and metals business at Bechtel, director and investor. We've increased meters by about 30% and are now hitting budget for the first time. We're just a lot more organized than we were. Matt Jurek, development superintendent. SiteOps has played its part by ensuring one structured plan on site, and as such, one version of the truth. Glenn Britton, head of underground operations, Anglo American. SiteOps is practical digital transformation that gets everyone on the same page, improves planning and coordination, reduces risk, and boosts production. A global leader since 2011, we've led the digital transformation of integrated frontline work management. Our structured partnering approach ensures we work together to set and deliver on realistic expectations for closing the gap between current and potential performance. CommitWorks software is quicker to install, easier to learn and use, and returns greater benefits in shorter time frames than any other solution on the market. Find out more at www.commit.works.